Oh, hey there everyone. It's me, your old pal Woody Woodpecker. And let me give you a little disclaimer before the video starts. The following video is a weights dub created by using AI technology. It is not created for an actual voice actor. I know I'm supposed to be with my friends and pecking a lot of trees right now, but anyway. Enjoy the scene where the monkey teases Barkley, but Barkley has SpongeBob's voice and Big Bird has Mike Wazowski's voice. Speaking of SpongeBob and Mike Wazowski, I think those two characters fit perfectly with them. Anyways, I better get back to pecking a lot of trees. Enjoy the video.
Monkey with a clue.
Yeah. This. Huh? This. Huh?
Be quiet, Barkley. I'm trying to find a monkey.
This. Hey, this.
Hey, Barkley, would you please stop? I'm just trying to find a monkey with a clue.